Hello again everyone, this is Shirley and welcome back to my vlog. So today, let us explore Mount Magdiwata Eco Farm. Well, we are on our way to Mount Magdiwata Eco Farm. We actually saw this just along the highway. This is Osmania Bingka Shop or Osmania Rice Cake Shop. Osmania Bingka or Osmania Rice Cake has three variants. They have rice cake with jackfruit, rice cake with coconut, and plain rice cake. But they all taste so good. How does it taste like, Peter?
It tastes good. Hindi kay tama sunay ka ng sa panin.
Sakto ra? Kargado og
kanang coconut milk.
This yummy bingka is worth 25 pesos each. Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel! I am now snacking on Osmania Bibingka. Well, we are now on our way to Mount Magdiwata Nature Farm. So it's a glorious Saturday morning today. Hi Peter!
Yes.
It's our first time to go there and we're very excited as usual. So for the meantime, I'm snacking on this very famous bibingka from Osmania, Barangay Osmania. See you later! Alright, so after our lunch at Penongs, we are now on our way to Mount Magdiwata and we are very excited to do our hiking adventure. Alright guys, we are here at the foot of Mount Magdiwata and we just started hiking. We're very excited to see Mount Magdiwata Eco Farm some minutes from now. Mount Magdiwata is a tropical rainforest reserve and at the same time a watershed that provides a life-sustaining water source for the residents of San Francisco. Hi guys! We are now on our way to Mount Magdiwata Nature Farm. Nanggingan na po ang ilong ni Peter. Nanggingan na ang ilong, so good guys. I think we have to walk for about a kilometer from the highway. This is San Francisco, Agusan del Sur, and it's 15 minutes past 2 o'clock in the afternoon. The weather is so nice. It's a glorious Saturday today, best for hiking. Such a lovely cardio workout. See you there. I think we're getting near to the nature farm, so I think we would walk for about some meters from here. We're gonna get there. I have experienced mountain climbing to Mount Magdiwata already some years ago with my students. I think I did it twice and that was so fun. We did some sampling activities with my students and I'm very excited to do it again with another batch of students after the pandemic, hopefully. See you in a bit. After a 2-kilometer hike from the highway, we are now at Mount Magdiwata Eco Farm and Resort. Alright, so let's now have a quick tour around the place. So this is their camping ground. And And if you want to do camping with friends and family, you can actually rent some tents from the resort. And this is Mount Magdiwata Cafe, where you can chill and dine with friends. This is actually one of my favorite spots here in Mount Magdiwata Eco Farm, where you really can commune with nature. Oh, I love this view. Everything is a mixture of green and blue. Forest and sky is just relaxing. And these are their glamping rooms. Oh, I just love the rural feel here. So this time I'm heading to the Eco Farm swimming pool. I just heard that there's a cold spring down there. So come on and let's check it out.
Let's go and check out their cold spring here in Magdiwata Nature Farm. I'll show you around.
Alright guys, so this time let's have a closer look of the Mount Magdiwata Cafe.
We're just finished touring around Mount Diwata Eco Farm and Resort here in San Francisco, Agusan del Sur. Na-chika si Peter guys. Kanina ba? Sa tunga guys. Nakasugat may kanang tao guys nga topless. Isog magnaong uy niya dag sundang. Unya pet unsa may gibati nimo ato pet?
Grabe ka kulba kayo eh.
Grabe ka kulba.
Wa ko inahunan na kundi bibilang na lang na ako ang ko.
Para di siya kulbaan guys. Gibilang niya ang abs sa katong tao guys nga nagsundang. Mga 7 to mga 8.
Mura mo to. Paano to? 7?
Nya guys kay bawo ka sa katarantan ni Peter guys. Ning adto siya ning dagan ning tago sa misa kanang bitang asa man to dapit pit kanang pasibag nga dalan nga nay balay. Only to find out nga balay dito sa tao. Dagan na pud mi balik. Nya karon.
Sisitan pa mi.
Oh, nya.
Asa daw mi.
Oh, isititan mi ka asa daw mi. Nya pagkahuman nagdagan-dagan jud mi palayo niya. Nya nalangan na siguro siya gumukod sa hamo guys. Asa na nanto siya ni Adol Pet? Ning sibag siya dalan.
Oh,
Nya kami pwede na hupo. Only to find out guys nga naghukas dito siyang nagdagsunda kay nang lampas di ay.
Oh, so nagkanta pa.
Sa iyang paglampas guys, ikanta siya. Sa tuyo ikanta?
My way.
My way, ikanta yun sa pagkanta niya, Pet.
The end is near.
Nya pinalampas dayon.
Oo, grabe.
Oo nya. Kami guys, pwede na namang tago-tago, dagan-dagan kay nakayo bitaw ba nga. Kanang bitaw naguramentado bitaw kay isog bitag naong uy nya. Nagpungasi Nagpungasi mura pud siya hubog niya. Nagpungasi ang iyang abs. Tuto nga.
Bisin frustrated boxer to.
Oo nya. Tuto nga mo lang gibilang ang iyang abs aron malasan ang among stress ug among tension. Kasi ipsot na mito pa siya dito karon hangtod karon naglampas gihapon. Salamat. Pero wa man to siya balak Pet nga unsaon ta niya Pet?
Wala ay.
Wala uy ato ra man tong hunahuna.
Sundang manggo na
Sundang manggod niya hait kay pasinog-sinog kay sundang niya. Nagpungasi pud ang abs niya. Lamang siyag mata na. Ano kasi bago pa pud tong mata Pet?
Nagbugi pa.
So guys, hapit na mi sa highway. We had a great time here. So it's almost 4 o'clock in the afternoon. And we're going back home. See ya.
And that's it for our Saturday hiking adventure. Thanks for watching. Once again, this is Shirley's Break Time and Happy Vibes. Please don't forget to subscribe and stay in touch for more adventure vlogs. Thanks for watching. Bye. Take care. See you in my next vlog.